a huge and terrifying ogre! Fear me, tiny creatures!
Oh no, it's an ogre! Poor me! I've been waiting for a handsome prince, not a monster!
Huh? A prince? No problem. Here is a prince. Good afternoon, my beautiful lady.
Oh!
So, let me just...
Hey guys! What are you playing? Looks like fun.
Oh, Sue! This game is about Shrek!
Oh.
Look at my mask. Isn't it cool?
Can I join you? I want to be a dragon.
Huh? Ah! A dragon! Help! Save me! Sam, help!
It's me, Sue, and I've got an idea.
Dragon!
Huh? What's on your mind, Sue? Come on, tell me.
What if we build a castle for Princess Fiona?
Wow, cool!
But Sue, who's gonna be Fiona?
It will be you. We'll give you a complete makeover.
Oh! This is a genius idea! Let's start!
First of all, we need to remove your makeup and change your outfit.
While you are busy here, I'm gonna choose the textures for our future castle.
Stay still and don't worry. I'll be very careful. First step complete. Now, let's start the makeover process.
I'll begin with the walls. Why are they so heavy? That's all I'll need. Now the textures. Which one, friends? Why choose? Let's use all of them. It's gonna be a very, very pretty castle.
Sammy, watch out.
You watch out. I'm being super duper busy.
Sammy. It's time to draw Fiona's pretty eyes.
I'm busier than you. Very, very, very busy. Sue, what's taking you so long? The textures are ready. Let's build the castle.
We are finishing, Sammy. The final touch, and our beautiful Fiona is ready. That's it. We can start building the castle.
Woohoo!
Wow, Sammy, great job! Look at these walls, friends.
Of course! Sam is a great craftsman. I'll show you everything.
As far as I understand, these are 2 floors.
Right! There are stars on the first floor. And here, we use Fiona's favorite color. Aha! There's also gonna be the 3rd floor, purple. Look at these stars. It's like they're in the night sky.
Sammy, I think this castle is gonna be great!
Yep. But what if I tell you there's gonna be a secret room there?
Here it is, the secret room. You'll find out what it is a bit later.
Sue, no castle can be without columns.
Sammy, such a bustler.
Guys, but where am I going to sleep?
That's a good question. Sue, we forgot about the bed.
We forgot nothing, Sammy. We'll make it now.
Fiona's gonna sleep on pancakes.
These are not pancakes. This is the foundation of the bed.
You know, Sue, at the moment, I'd rather have some pancakes. I'll go grab a bite. If you need help, call me.
Sure. Now I'll make our bed soft and fluffy. I'll cover it all with a piece of soft fabric. Let's decorate it. Oh, it looks cute. Almost done. Just one thing missing, the headboard. And the final touch. Lovely! It will look good in this spot. It needs a cushion. Fiona can rest here. Let's add some cuteness.
That's a very cute bedroom, Sue. What if we add a canopy over the bed? Very princessy.
That's a great idea, Sammy. How about this pink one with golden stars?
It's perfect.
Here we go. I only need to make a cut in the middle for comfort.
It's as pretty as I imagined. Sue, do you think we could also use this?
Awesome! I'll put it here.
I can't believe we did this. Such a lovely bedroom.
I really love it. I have my own bed, cute poof, a bedside table, and everything is so cute.
Sue, I've been thinking this room is perfect for storing candy. Don't you agree? Or I could keep my rubber duck collection there.
I promise it will be our next craft, but not now.
Aw, but why not?
Because now we are making Fiona's castle. And we are furnishing the living room. Look at this sofa. Something is missing. Sammy, did you take anything?
Nope, I've seen nothing, heard nothing, taken nothing.
Sammy, we need it.
No, it's my crown.
Sammy, dear, I really need it for our craft. Found the missing piece. Can you guess what we're making now, guys? Right, it's a living room table.
Sam is the best crafter in the world. A vote for Sam. Sue, I've made a megaphone. Isn't it cool? Sue, look at me.
Thanks, Sammy.
Hey!
It's the foundation of our table. See? Let's furnish the room. And make a cupboard.
Now I need to get my crown back. Sue was right. It does look good on this sofa. Okay, I'll let it be.
The parts for the cupboard are ready. Time to assemble it. Nice! I'll add a shelf. Fiona can put her things here.
It's a very good cupboard. I'll keep important things there, like this tape recorder.
You can. It'll fit perfectly.
We can also keep sweets in this cupboard.
Let's put them on the table. Now we need to fill the cupboard. And the second floor is finished. Wait, where are the columns? Sammy?
It's me. I took them. They really needed some renovation. Come on. Done! Well, what do you say?
It looks much better now. Like a real castle.
There is one more room left.
You are right. Let's call this a beauty room. We'll put a dressing table in this corner.
Sue, help! It's gonna fall over!
Careful! Here it goes.
Well, friends, it's time to tell you the truth about our secret room.
Huh? A puppy? I've been dreaming of having a dog for ages!
Sue, I've made a bed for the puppy.
Fits perfectly. So, this is our pretty Fiona and her wonderful castle. Let's take a closer look.
my princess.
I've been waiting for you, my Shrek. Ah, a dragon!
This is my castle now. Guys, if you think that our castle is cool, like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Bye-bye, friends. See you soon. Rah!